Welcome everyone to another easy way video where I'm going to show you how to use ByBit 20 USDT coupon. When you have your account verified and you have access to ByBit, the first thing you have to do is to log in, and then you have to go to this section where it says you have to go to your icon here where it says your profile information, and you have to go to my rewards. This also works on Android, so don't worry, you can do it there. Okay, so you have to press all rewards here. In my case, I don't have any reward because I'm not verified, but here you will find your 20 USDT coupon, and you will be able to click on it, and this will activate the coupon on your account. You can use this bonus for trading on ByBit, wherever you are looking to go long or short on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. This coupon gives you a head start. With these simple steps, you can easily use your ByBit 20 USDT coupon, and with this coupon, you can now start enjoying reduced trading fees on ByBit. Remember, always check the specific terms of your coupon before using it. And this is how to use ByBit 20 USDT coupons. If you have any question about it, you can feel free to leave them down in the comment below. And share, like, press the bell, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.